Hello, my name is Mike Ensminger. I'm your Teller County Sheriff. Teller County is a great place to live, to raise a family, and to work. It is my responsibility as the #1 law enforcement official of this county to provide for your safety and to aggressively defend your Second Amendment rights. In this short video, I plan to show you what I've been doing in that regard. In 2010, I took an oath of office to support and uphold the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the state of Colorado. I've done that by joining 55 other sheriffs in this state in defense of our Second Amendment rights. We lost our first round in court. However, we're not discouraged, and we have taken this case in front of the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals in Denver. It is my intent to aggressively protect our rights for the citizens of Teller County, Colorado. As your sheriff, my #1 responsibility is to keep this county safe. We've targeted this area in regards to subdivision patrols. We've increased those patrols by hundreds every month. As a result of this, our burglaries and our crimes against property have decreased drastically. We've also concentrated on our juveniles and our youth in Teller County. We've created a juvenile diversion program which targets first-time offenders, high-risk students for dropping out of high school, high-risk students from running away from home. And as a result of this program, we've seen those statistics also decrease drastically. I have been appointed to the Child Fatality Review Board by the governor of the state of Colorado. As a result of this, we get certain fundings that will help educate our families against domestic violence and how to keep our children out of trouble. We also have incorporated increased training for our deputies and for our officers as well as our SWAT team. Again, it is my goal to create a safe environment in Teller County, Colorado, to be one of the safest in the state of Colorado. The fiscal condition of the Teller County Sheriff's Office is the best it's been in years. Through conservative spending, we have been able to maintain a budget at 2005 funding levels. The jail is an enterprise fund. That means that this jail is a revenue-based facility. We have to contract with other entities outside of our organization to be able to make ends meet, so to speak. I've increased the income to the jail enterprise fund by 70% over the last 3 years, and it is in very healthy standing at this point in time. We also have addressed the salary levels of our deputies, as we are one of the lowest in the state of Colorado at this point in time. However, we are working aggressively with commissioners. We have open dialogue, and we feel very favorable about the direction in which we are going in Teller County. When we talk about professional management of the Teller County Sheriff's Office, basically we're talking about organizational management. In order to comprise a very successful organization, we have to have volunteers and special organizations that will contribute in that regard. We have our Honorary Deputy Sheriff's Association, which comprises business members of our community. They offer advisory counsel to the sheriff and fundraising opportunities also to the office. We have our auxiliary programs. This comprises our posse and our reserves. These are volunteer organizations and people who help us in crowd control and special events for the office. Without them, we wouldn't be as successful as we are. I've also created a leadership council, which comprises members that come from every aspect of our office. This Leadership Council offers our office and our employees buy-in into the decisions that are made every day on behalf of the Teller County Sheriff's Office. They have decision-making opportunities for what type of uniforms we wear, what type of cars that we have, and what type of color and insignias they're going to display. With this, we have a well-functioning office. All in all, with these different entities of our office, we're able to fulfill our mission and our goals in serving Teller County with dignity, honor, and respect.
Flight 807, you're clear.